Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP continues to move in this triangle pattern, yeah. This should be well known. If you watched previous videos, then you know very well what's going on here on the XRP chart, that this is seen as an Elliott wave triangle with rather a tendency to break out to the upside. This would reduce in likelihood, in my opinion, if the price breaks below $2.04, because that's the 61.8 extension of this move down, which is an ideal target for this move down, which is currently happening. So it doesn't mean we have to get there, but if the price breaks below it, it would be a little bit too deep for an E wave in a wave 4 triangle. Quick reminder, the triangle, yeah, would be an A, B, C, D, E structure. It unfolded nicely. E wave could be unfolding, and the E wave itself is a correction. So we're going to take a look at the microstructure in a minute, but $2.04 is a key level here. And then the $1.96 level, which is the swing low from the 20th of December. And any break below that level will invalidate the yellow triangle pattern. From when this E wave then complete, I mean, the E wave could be unfolding, but there's no evidence it's complete yet. It could be, but it would just be a very shallow wave E or very weak wave E. So we go down a little lower, then as soon as the E wave is complete, we should see a rapid move up to all-time highs, or at least to test the all-time high area. But again, condition is that we're holding above $1.96. Below 196, it could still be a wave 4, which is unfolding, but probably not as a triangle then. Well, guaranteed not as a triangle, because below 196, it's formally invalidated. But it could then still be a wave 4 just as a wider, let's say, WXY structure, during which the price might test this lower support area between 139 and 180. Yeah, very, very important. So, but for now, we focus on the triangle because it's still valid. And there's no reason to, there's nothing in here that would tell me that something more bearish is playing out. Rather, it's even struggling to start the C wave down that we are watching for. Okay, so in the triangle, we have 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E. The D wave, the current idea is that a D wave topped on the 4th of January. We've now started the E wave support area. I mean, the next support levels are 229, 223, 221, 217, $2.09, $2.04. So these are the next key levels to watch. And I think it's important to recognize that the E wave would be an ABC structure as well. So A wave down, B wave up, which is now in resistance, and then ideally a C wave down, but the C wave drop hasn't started yet, or if it has, it's not clear yet. That's also what I posted in the previous update earlier today on Discord. The C wave hasn't started yet. Yeah, there's no evidence. So the question is, okay, what would be an indication? I mean, let's say break below this previous swing low here that formed on Monday at around 236, so 2.366 would help. And a break below 2.33 would help even more to confirm that. And then a C wave down could actually be unfolding and send us into this support area. And I just mentioned the support levels, yeah. Now, what happens if it breaks out more directly? Well, if it goes up in a very aggressive fashion, then we might even consider its wave 4 is already finished. Not expected, because it would be too weak for a wave 4. I would rather probably see it as an extension in a D wave, but it would start to look more like a 5 wave move up. The entire move somehow, yeah. So we might then explore different scenarios, but technically it could still be a D wave as long as the market doesn't break above the B wave high, because any break above it would likely be a breakout confirmation. So it means overall I'm still looking for higher prices. There's a potential short term for a drop into the support area. If it happens, there could be an opportunity there. We will have some very clear parameters to watch for possible support, but to be honest, the price doesn't really make the impression it wants to drop in wave C yet, so the B wave actually wants to extend. Bear in mind, B waves can technically overshoot even in triangles, so just something to be aware of. But I'll keep you updated. Parameters haven't changed at all, and it should also give you all the invalidation points, so you are well informed now. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.